Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to connect Trust Wallet to Binance. First of all, you can open the Trust Wallet. I can open the Trust Wallet app. After opening the app, you can now tap on receive, and after tap on receive, you can select the BNB coin that is third in the row. After selecting BNB, you can see the QR code. After seeing the QR code, you can now tap on copy and you can just simply copy the address to Binance, and it is a way you can connect Trust Wallet to Binance app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.